Right? What you're going to do is you're going to take a deep breath. You're going to make a tight seal like you're blow like you're blowing up a balloon. Don't stop until I tell you to stop. Feel blow. Blow, 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 blow. Good. Equal for me. Put your hands behind your back. I'm going to double lock these so they don't tighten up on you, so just hang tight. Okay, I'm going to pat you down. Pick up trouble. Scoot your butt forward to me. Alright, hang tight for a moment, alright?
Like footprints on him down right there. Do you have anything on that's going to poke me, stick me, stab me, hurt me? Anything on you're not supposed to have? Guns, drugs, knives, bombs. That is blue. Alright, turn around, face me. Open your mouth. Tongue up. Okay. I'm gonna go over here and have a seat on the bench.
Death. Do you understand that?
Yep.
Since you're under arrest at this point in time, before you ask any questions, you must understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before he asks you any questions and to have him with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you before questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you'll still have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand your rights?
Yes.
Okay. Are you willing to answer some questions for me?
Yes.
Okay. I know when we were originally out on the scene out there, you admitted to drinking some Twisted Teas. Is that correct?
Yes.
Is there anything else you drank other than Twisted Tea? Hard liquor, beer, or anything else?
Nope.
No. Okay. Do you remember what time you started drinking?
Probably around like 6, 7 o'clock.
Okay. All right. Were you drinking here in White County?
Yes.
Is that your house or a friend's house?
That'd be my house, yeah.
That'd be your house? Okay. Was there anybody else that was with you at that time?
When I was there?
When you were drinking, yes.
Yes, I had a couple friends there, and everybody who was in a crash besides the other car.
Okay. So the people that were in your vehicle
Yes,
were
in my
with you
vehicle.
at the party?
Yep.
Okay. Were they drinking also?
Yes, they did drink a little bit.
Okay. All right. All right. You do understand that there are people that have died from the result of the accident, correct?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So what's going to take place now is these gentlemen are going to have you booked into the White County Jail on that charge. All right. And at a later time, you will go before the judge for the next steps in the process. You understand?
Yep.
Okay.
About a half a step forward, just above the line. On the counter. Stay right there. Straight up.
All right. Go ahead. Put your hands straight up to your sides. Up high. There you go. I'm going to reach around you. Turn back around, face me. All right, what you're going to do is you're going to take one hand and put it right down into the cuff, just like that. Take the other hand and do the same thing. Back out this way. Go to the front seat and vehicle again.
State of Indiana versus Mason Schroeder. Are you Mr. Schroeder?
Yep.
All right. Let the record show that the defendant's in court in person. He's also with his counsel, Patrick Manahan. State of Indiana is represented by White County Prosecuting Attorney Robert Guy. Mr. Manahan, what type, are you openly pleading to all four or to certain ones?
Judge, we are here today to enter a plea of guilty to counts 1, 2, 3, and 4.
All right. But would you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm under penalties of perjury your testimony today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
The charging information states that on or about March 7th, 2022, in White County, state of Indiana, Mason Schroeder did cause the death of Jaden Kaufman when operating a motor vehicle with an alcohol concentration equivalent to at least 800 grams of alcohol per 210 liters of said defendant's breath, and is a level 4 felony. Under Indiana law, the minimum sentence for a level 4 felony is 2 years in the Indiana Department of Corrections, with a maximum of 12 years in the Indiana Department of Corrections. The charging information for count 2 states that on or about March 7, 2022 in White County, state of Indiana, Mason Schroeder did operate a vehicle while intoxicated, resulting in serious bodily injury to Tessa Rowland, and is a level 5 felony. Now in Indiana, a level 5 felony has a minimum sentence in the DOC of 1 year, maximum is 6 years. Count 3 in the charging information states that on or about March 7, 2022 in White County, state of Indiana, Mason Schroeder did cause the death of Zach Wells when operating a motor vehicle with an alcohol concentration equivalent to at least 800 grams of alcohol per 210 liters of said defendant's breath. And also as a level 4 felony, as stated before, you're looking at a minimum of 2 years, maximum is 12 years. On or about March 7, 2022 in White County, state of Indiana, Mason Schroeder did operate a vehicle while intoxicated, resulting in serious bodily injury to Lindsay Hughes. Once again, that is a charge of operating a vehicle while intoxicated, causing serious bodily injury, a level 5 felony, and once again, that subjects you to a minimum sentence of 1 year on that count, maximum is 6 years. Mr. Schroeder, do you understand what you're charged with in counts 1 through 4?
Yes.
Do you also understand the possible consequences you face by being convicted of counts 1 through 4?
Yes.
Mr. Schroeder, at this time, do you understand that when you plead guilty, this guilty plea may affect the imposition of harsher sentences for any future crimes that you might commit?
Yes.
Again, all 4 of these matters occurred here in White County, state of Indiana on or about March 7, 2022. Yes?
Yes.
And finally, for purposes of your plea today, do you accept the representation set forth in the charging informations and the probable cause affidavit filed in this case to be true and correct to the best of your information and belief, and in support of your guilty pleas today?
Yes, I do.
No further questions for factual basis, Judge.
Sir, raise your right hand for me, please. You solemnly swear or affirm under penalty of perjury your testimony will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
So why were you drinking?
I was just trying to have a good time and ended unfortunate ways for a lot of families, and very sorry about that.
You understand the consequences will frankly be lifelong.
Yes.
Immediately there will be potentially a period of incarceration, there will be long periods of probation, there will be periods without driving privileges, there's going to be counseling requirements.
And for all of you victim advocates, I'm sorry, but thank you for coming here and testifying. I know it was not an easy thing for you all to have to do.